Hello and welcome to this practice of Yoga Nidra. For the practice, I will guide you through the foundational setup for the practice. I'll then take you through the 61 points, and from there I'll just leave you to rest in conscious awareness for a few moments before coming on up and closing the practice. So to make sure that you are all set and have everything that you require for the practice, please make sure you have a bolster, a towel, and something light to cover your eyes. You don't want a rice or a wheat pack. It's a little too heavy and it will push you over into the sleep state. Make sure you have a sarong or maybe a light blanket to pop over your body. We can cool down quite a bit during Yoga Nidra practice, so have that handy. And try and make sure any windows or doors or anything in the space that you're practicing are closed. Lie down on your mat, floor, bed, wherever you are. Taking the bolster and placing the bolster underneath your knees. You want the legs a little bit wider than your hips. Heels are touching the surface below you. And from here, just let the feet drop naturally outwards, ever so slightly. Bring the towel, place it under the back of your head, making sure that the chin is parallel. You don't want the chin to be tilting back. It will potentially create a little bit of a busy mind. So keep the chin parallel. Place the cloth over your eyes and gently close down the eyes here. Taking a few moments to wiggle and adjust, finding your position. Arms are out to the sides, palms facing the ceiling. A few final moments here to adjust your physical position. And from here, staying completely still. Working to transition from your external environment. Begin to pay attention to noises in your surroundings. Paying attention to sounds closer in. Without becoming attached to the sound or affected by it, continue to move outwards, listening for sounds further out. Find the sound and then move on to the next. Begin to bring awareness back in slowly, registering each sound in your environment and then bringing yourself back in, internalizing your experience here. Throughout this practice of Yoga Nidra, the mind will sleep, the body will sleep, awareness will remain aware. Begin to bring your attention to your body, noticing the points of your body that are in contact with the surface below you. Scanning through the body and just noticing these points and working to let go, surrendering in to the surface that is supporting you. Bring your awareness here to the abdomen and take yourself through 10 conscious breaths, inhaling and exhaling the abdomen. As you inhale, inhaling nurturance, and as you exhale, releasing and letting go. And from here, release your focus on the breath and become the witness. You are not the breather. You are conscious awareness, witnessing the body breathing. Experience your body breathing. Your spacious awareness. Breath becomes effortless. Now move into the 61 points. Bring your awareness to the eyebrow center. Eyebrow center. Throat. Right shoulder. Right elbow. Right wrist, tip of the right thumb, right index finger, middle finger, right ring finger, tip of the pinky finger, right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, throat center, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, tip of the left thumb, left index finger, tip of the middle finger, left ring finger, tip of the left little finger, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, throat center, heart center, the right side of the chest, heart center, the left side of the chest, heart center, navel, sacrum, right hip, right knee, right ankle, the tip of the right toe, second right toe, third, fourth, the tip of the little right toe, right ankle, right knee, right hip, sacrum, left knee, left ankle, the tip of the left toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, left ankle, left knee, left hip, sacrum, heart center, throat center, center of the forehead, eyebrow center. Hold your awareness here. And now begin to sense or feel all of those points connecting to one another just above your body. Just feel or sense that network of points connecting in just above your body. Just remain here in conscious awareness. Slowly begin to come back to your breath. Bring some gentle movement to the fingers and the toes. Stretch the body out, however feels comfortable for you. Roll onto the right side. Just remain here for a few breaths. Bring yourself up to a seated position, your bolster. And bring your awareness here to your heart center. Bring your palms together into Anjali Mudra in front of the heart. And just place the thumbs against the body in the center of the chest. Energetic heart. Just taking a moment to feel into your energy after this practice of Yoga Nidra. And when you're ready, bow your head. Namaste.